Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make frijoles de la olla in an Instant Pot. I'm pretty well known for my beans around here. Every time my best friend comes over, she's always begging me to make her beans. Instead of going out, she's like, "Friend, can you please make me some beans?" It's very fast and easy to make, so let me show you guys how I make them. These are the ingredients. We're gonna be using 1 pound of Peruano beans. You can use pinto beans as well, but I personally like Peruano beans better. 6 tablespoons of oil and some salt. Before putting our beans into the Instant Pot, we're gonna clean them and get rid of the ones that are, you can see the ones that are not good. They have spots or the ones that are broken. It's just getting rid of this so that we can have nice, good beans. I'm also gonna wash them and make sure that they are clean. Now we're gonna throw our beans into the Instant Pot. We're going to add our 6 tablespoons of oil and some salt. Salt, remember, is just preference, whatever you think, however much you think it needs. And keep in mind that it looks like a lot of salt, but it's gonna get diluted with the water. And last, we're gonna add 4 cups of water. All the ingredients are in. We're gonna lock this and start it and press the bean button and it'll automatically start. All right, our beans are finally done. Our Instant Pot is off. It was on for 40 minutes, but I usually leave it 20 minutes with the steam inside so that they can be perfectly soft. After the 20 minutes are up, you can let out the steam and that's when your beans are ready. Let's release the steam. And they are ready. A way to know if the beans are ready is if you grab one and you should be able to smash it very easily. And that's how you know when your beans are ready. They look delicious. Frijolitos de la olla. Now it's time to serve myself a bowl and try our delicious beans. Time to try our frijoles de la olla. But first, I'm gonna add a little bit of quesito fresco. And time to enjoy. Very, very tasty. Honestly, amazing taste, perfect, very soft, and I love them. You guys should definitely try this recipe. Remember, making these is super easy and they're especially good for making morisqueta, refried beans. If you're interested in a refried bean recipe, let me know in the comments and I'll make it for you guys in a future video. Thanks for joining me today, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you make this recipe, tag me on my social medias. I'll see you next time. Bye.